Alright, Merry Christmas punters. We are here to draw game 616, which is Michael's slider for the first appearance of the Huntress. Alrighty, let's go. We are going live, and it is 4:56 in the afternoon. It is 4:56 in the afternoon. Alright, let's swap to what I want, list randomizer. Alrighty, so we're going live. Let's go and have a look how many spots we've got. 50 spots exactly. Ross at number 50. Timbo at number 1. Alright, 50 spots. Okay. What's going on here? That's not working. Very interesting. Never seen this before. Let's try that again. Nope. Alright. Let's do this the hard way. It's very unfortunate, however, that was done. Sorry about the delay here. To do this all by hand. This is some sort of weird formatting in the listing. I thought it looked a bit strange when I tried to get them. Obviously somebody's done a cut and paste from somewhere. I'm not altering any positions, I'm just adding the numbers. So you need to check your formatting, folks, before you paste this stuff in. Right. This will be the longest punt I've ever drawn. Alright, now just to double check, make sure we've done this right, I'm going to pick some random names to see that they align correctly. So, for example, number 39, Stephen Reynolds. Let's go up, 39, Stephen Reynolds, pick somebody else. We're going to go for Josh at 21. There's Josh at 21. We're going to go Tim and Dak at 5 and 6. Tim and Dak at 5 and 6, so that should be good. Alright, let's get this on the road. 3 dice roll. 4 and 1 is 5, and 5 is 10. 5 and 1 is 6, 4 is 10. Alright, nice easy one. Alrighty, let's go. Okay. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, that's 8 times. 4 and 1 is 5, 5 is 10. Penultimate. Alrighty, for the Huntress. This is the last one for the win. Good luck, everybody. Oh, a bit too slow there. Alrighty. Let's go up. Congratulations for the Huntress. It is Dak Waylander. There you go. Back on the winner's dice. Good on you, Dak. Alright. Get in contact with Michael to claim your prize. Thanks for playing, everybody. We are done. Alrighty. Catch you next time.